Okay, we are next door to the unit that burnt. This is what it looks like inside. We had all of the heat and smoke that came into the unit through this window that blew out. This room is damaged. The whole house has a layer of smoke, soot, and ash in it. As we can tell when we go into the bathroom, we can see where things were setting on the countertop. And even though it's cleaner where I wiped my finger than the area that was covered, it's not clean. You can still see where it's smudged. And that's because a lot of what burnt in the unit next door was greases, proteins, and synthetics, which have a very sticky soot to them. So that master bedroom is going to need to be all the drywall taken out, the insulation taken out, and everything thoroughly cleaned inside the entire unit.